Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and in today's video I will discuss with you the biggest benefit of Vipassana meditation. It's been a very long time since I have given you any update on my meditation practices. So in today's video I will tell you a little bit about my daily meditation routine and then I will tell you the biggest advantage or the biggest benefit of the meditation which I am practicing. So please watch the whole video, and if you like my videos then you can also subscribe this channel. And one more thing, that if you want to talk to me, then you can message me on Instagram, or if you want to talk to me over call, then you can just email me. My Instagram ID and my email ID both are in the description below. Now let's start today's video. First, let me give you an idea about what is Vipassana meditation. So it is a meditation of analysis. It is a meditation in which you analyze your body, because your body and your mind both are interrelated. So if you are analyzing your body, then you are also analyzing your mind. And you can learn this meditation by attending the 10 days course of Vipassana meditation, which is offered by Dhamma organization. Now let me tell you about my daily routine. So I have been practicing this meditation from the last few months, and I try to do it for 2 hours every day. Because when you learn this technique, the teacher will recommend you to do it for 2 hours every single day, 1 hour in the morning and 1 hour in the evening. That's why I do it. And it is helping me a lot in all sorts of ways. And I will post a separate video about the benefits of this technique. But for now, let's discuss the main benefit or advantage of this great meditation technique. Now, the biggest benefit as per the spiritual teachers of this meditation is that it will make you enlightened. It will make you free from all the sufferings of this world. But we will not discuss about it. We will discuss about the immediate benefit or change that you will get from this meditation. And it is that you will gain control over your reaction. Now, what do I mean by this? See, we all decide to do certain things. Like some people decide from today they will work on themselves. Like they will study more, they will work more, they will exercise, or they will learn something new. But when the time comes, for example, you decide to do these things at 7 p.m. in the evening. Now what will happen is, just before that time, just before 7 p.m. in the evening, your mind will start playing games with you. You will automatically feel tired. You will feel like postponing these things till tomorrow. You will feel like watching some movie, or you will feel like watching some videos on YouTube. Now why these things happen? It happens because your mind and your body are reacting on their own. It is a behavior that you have acquired over a long period of time, and your mind and your body just want to stay in that comfortable position. Now, after doing Vipassana meditation for a few weeks, this sudden reaction, this automatic response will start to minimize. Your mind will still play games with you, but you will become clear enough and strong enough to make the right choice, to do the right thing. Because generally people, when they feel a little bit uncomfortable, they postpone things. They start to procrastinate. But after doing Vipassana, you will become comfortable with doing difficult things. So this is the biggest benefit or advantage of this meditation. So this is the most immediate and the biggest benefit that you will get from this meditation technique. I hope you understood everything correctly. Now, if you have any question or doubt in your mind, then you can always ask me in the comment section below. Or if you want to support me, then you can join this channel and become a member. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.